Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Wix automations let you save time by responding to form submissions automatically. So in this video, I will show you how to actually set up form automations in Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for wix.com. Basically in your favorite browser or whatsoever. Make sure you open the website, log in into your correct account using your email address and password. As for now, we have this dashboard. We're gonna go all the way to look for the settings button. Now we have multiple options including finance and payment, accept payments, getting paid, business solutions, site domain and SEO, manage plan, and all of this general basically settings that you're gonna need later. So now we're gonna go and try looking for automations in this search bar. Okay. Getting paid, customize your invoice, codes, pay links, and related automations. All you're gonna do now is open automations from the dashboard menu, then create a new automation. Basically, just tap on it, and create new automation. As you see here, we have this actual getting paid session. Let's go to automations all the way. It will take some. As you see here, explore more automations, welcome new such members, whatsoever, create new automation, it depends on you. Then choose the trigger, select form submitted, then select the form, pick the specific form you want, choose in action. As for send confirmation email, or welcome new site members, notify site owner, add contact or whatsoever, then activate the automation, turn it on and save it. And that's the main idea. That's basically it. Just go look through automations in the search bar, then go and search whatever automation you want, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.